Dear students, let us start today new chapter, that is chapter 14, adverbs. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. Adverb is one of them. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes or gives more information about a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even the entire sentence. The word adverb comes from the Latin ad, that means in addition, and verbum means word. That means adverb adds something to a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Let me explain this in detail. See this example. The alarm rang loudly. Here, loudly shows how or in what manner the alarm rang. That is, loudly modifies or describes the verb rang. So, loudly is an adverb. Harry ran quickly. How Harry ran quickly. So, quickly is an adverb. An adverb describes an adjective. For example, he is very happy today. Very shows how much or in what degree he is happy. That is, very modifies the adjective happy. So, very is an adverb. Now, adverb describes another adverb. For example, the dancer moves so gracefully. Here, so shows how far or to what extent the dancer moves. That is, so modifies the adverb gracefully. Here, so and gracefully both are adverb. One adverb is describing another adverb. Now, adverbs sometimes modify the whole sentence rather than any particular word. For example, probably he is mistaken. Here, probably is an adverb and it is describing the whole sentence, that is, he is mistaken. It is probable that he is mistaken. So, what is an adverb? An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, or sometimes the whole sentence. Now, kinds of adverbs. There are 10 kinds of adverbs. Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, adverb of reason, adverb of interrogation, relative adverbs, adverb of exclamation, and the last, adverb of affirmation and negation. The first kind is adverb of time. Words such as now, then, soon, late, today, yesterday are called adverb of time. For example, now and then such things happen. He came late but left early. Here, the underlined words are adverb. Adverb of time answers the question when. See examples. She flew the plane yesterday. When did she fly the plane? That is yesterday. Alex rode his horse last Monday. When did Alex ride his horse? Last Monday. Now, adverb of place. Words such as here, there, somewhere, nowhere, outside. These are adverb of place. For example, come here instead of going there. Do not go anywhere. Here, underlined words are adverb of place. Adverb of place answers the question where. For example, I looked everywhere. Where did I look? The answer is everywhere. Now, adverb of manner. Words which show the quality or manner as to how the verb is modified or described are called adverbs of manner. For example, he drew beautifully. Adverb of manner answers the question how. The lion roared ferociously. How does the lion roar? Ferociously. The man walks carelessly. How does the man walk? Carelessly. Number 4. Adverb of degrees. Words which show how much or to what extent the verb is described are called adverbs of degrees. For example, the sea is very stormy. Adverb of degree answers the questions how much or to what extent. For example, the baby drank nearly all the milk. To what extent? Nearly. Now, adverb of frequency. Example, he is always late in attending class. How often is he late in attending class? That is always. Adverb of frequency answers the question how often. For example, she usually comb her hair. How often she comb her hair? Usually. Another examples, she brush her teeth regularly. She takes a bath always. This is all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss next kinds of adverbs. Thank you.